Hi there and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something special for you as we delve into the exciting world of New Year greetings. In this video, we will explore 10 alternative ways to wish someone a Happy New Year that will definitely make you stand out from the crowd. So, whether you're looking for a fun twist or a unique phrase to impress your loved ones, we've got you covered. 1. Wishing you a prosperous new year. 2. Cheers to a joyful new year. 3. May the coming year bring you success and happiness. 4. Here's to a year of new beginnings. 5. Best wishes for a happy and healthy new year. 6. May the year ahead be filled with love and laughter. 7. Embrace the possibilities of the new year. 8. Wishing you a year of achievements and fulfillment. 9. Happy New Year filled with peace and joy. 10. May the upcoming year be your best one yet. And that's a wrap. We've explored 10 alternative ways to say Happy New Year, ranging from cultural influences to heartfelt sentiments and even fun and quirky greetings. Don't stick to the traditional this year. Let your New Year's wishes sparkle with originality and creativity. Now it's your turn to step into the world of unique greetings and make this new year unforgettable for your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more exciting content from our channel. Let us know in the comments below which alternative greeting you like the most, and if you have any suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and may your year be filled with joy, positivity, and endless possibilities.